Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a tour of a 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Sport. We got this two-toned hull here in gel coat, light blue with the white. The boat comes with the galvanized single axle trailer, Mercury 4-stroke 40 horse motor on the back, and a 6.5 gallon carryaway fuel tank and battery. Got your lifting harnesses here. Great boat to run around the intercoastal, the canals, let your kids have fun time down on the Keys. Unsinkable Boston Whaler, bimini top. 2 hinge seats with backrest that do fold down. We do have a tachometer, 12-volt charger, navigation lights. Really well thought out, finished boat, easy to maintain, sips fuel. Here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call, 954-783-9555.